Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So finally, it is Sunday. Tomorrow, the market is open, and soon we are going to get big news. Big news on my baby, my biggest position in my portfolio, Neo stock. We are going to finally see how many deliveries Neo did for the month of January. Many are predicting over 8,000. They are expected to do 7,500. Anything above 8,000 would be beautiful. If we go anywhere close to 8,000, then we'll probably bring the stock up a lot. I think we'll bring back the stock up to above $60, and I don't think we'll go under $60 for a while. And then we had a big catalyst of their earnings, which I think they're gonna destroy it, and they're gonna start getting closer and closer to profitability, and they might start getting close to profitability very soon. Maybe next year they'll start getting profitable, which is gonna be crazy. And we're seeing that we're down quite a bit from its all-time highs, almost close to $10 below its all-time highs. All-time highs being about $67, $66.99, and I'm predicting with this catalyst we might see it going close to its all-time high, depending on what the number is. If it's close to 7,500, I don't think the stock's gonna move that much. If it's above 8,000, I think the stock might move a little bit, quite a bit, getting close to the mid 60s, honestly. And then with the earnings coming up, maybe March, I believe it says, at least on Robinhood, it's in March 17th. Then we might see the stock going up to $75, I believe. With New York Day being the catalyst, see the all-time highs before was $57, and it went all the way up to about 67, so another $10. So I'm not gonna be surprised if it hits $77, another $10 plus gain from its all-time highs. And the way that I'm playing Neo stock is, but any stock in that matter for my whole portfolio, either being Neo, Afria, Jumia, Shopify, anything like that, is whenever the stock goes down 3%, I'm gonna try to add a share or two, right? I'm not super high on cash, as you can see. I'm a bit on the margin side, and I'm trying to lower that. So once I'm done with my taxes, you best believe I'm gonna be going hard. And I love the position I have in Neo compared to my whole portfolio, which I have like about 26%. So about almost a little bit more than a quarter of my whole portfolio is in Neo. And I'm comfortable with that. Would love to get some more eventually. The more money I add, the more money is going to be going into Neo and Jumia and Shopify and all these babies. I want to get Jumia to 100 shares. I want to get Corsair Gaming to 100 shares. I want to get MP Material to 100 shares. Um, yeah, I want to get Shopify up to maybe $7,000, $5,000 to $6,000 in equity in it. Afria, I love my position in Afria. If Afria keeps going down, because the highest Afria has been is $14, and it's at 12.35. So if Afria goes below $12, you best believe I'll be adding some. I would love to get Afria to 500 shares eventually. I think Afria can hit $20 maybe this year, honestly. And Shopify is going to be the super long-term hold. Could be 10x, honestly, 10x potential. Tesla stock's been dropping also. I would love to see this one go to a low 700s to high 600s. And then I'll be adding more to this position. They have a price target of about $1,000, and there's two price targets, and about two analysts have a price target of about 1,000. So even from here, it's going to be a 20+% gain, 25+% gain. Would be nice to buy some of that. Beyond Meat's been going crazy, man. Since their partnership with Pepsi, a partnership with Taco Bell, they're just making big moves, man. Making big moves. IPR, one of the best cannabis companies out there. They're actually profitable and they pay a dividend. Like, come on, this is going to be one of the for the long term holds. Just look at the performance for this one. So that's the plan for me. Price prediction: Neo to hit back to mid 60s in the coming weeks, and then rocket past their all time highs once earnings come due. I'm saying close to $75 to $80, and then like I said, I'm still sticking to my um for my 1 year target. I'm sticking to my anywhere from 80 to 120. 80 being that the market starts correcting, all right, and then that's going to be a little bump on the road, but it's going to be another buying opportunity. So I'm honestly hoping that's what happens, that the market just goes down just a little bit more longer, so I can start stacking my cash. I'm just waiting for my freaking tax documents. I'm saying once my tax documents come in, I do my taxes, pay whatever I need to pay, and then all the money I can make from there. Basically, I pay my my freaking bills every month. The rest that I can, straight to the stock market. Remember, goal 50K, goal is $50,000 in the stock market plus by the end of the year. And I'm gonna get it. You best believe I will. I hope you guys achieve your goals. Let me know what your plan is for all your stocks that you're holding. Like, if Neo drops a certain percentage, what percentage are you willing to pay it for? Like, say Neo drops 5%. Every time it drops 5%, are you buying? Or are you waiting for it to drop more? Or are you just comfortable with your position that you're holding right now? And you're just gonna wait until unless it hits below your average cost. And honestly, I think I'm almost up on every single thing. Let's see. I'm up on Neo, up on Afria, up on Jumia. I'm down on Shopify, down on Corsair Gaming, up Tesla. MP Materials, oh, what is you doing, bro? This one, I need to get to 100 shares ASAP. ASAP. This one has a all-time high of $40, so even from now, it's gonna be a big gain, almost 50% gain. Oh, 40 to 50% gain if it goes back to its all-time highs. So pay attention to this one. This one's also a good one to check. And remember, I'm no financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Bitcoin, I'm down 100, down 10%. So yeah, I'm just down on MP Materials and I'm down on Corsair Gaming and Shopify. Three of the stocks I'm down on, and all my option plays are up. So doing pretty good right now. Pretty good. Would love to lower my margin, so that's the goal. So I'm really just gonna be, I'm just saying, even I think it would be better for me if any stock goes down 5%, and then I'll start buying shares. I don't want to be buying shares on margin right now. So once I can build up my position a little bit more and get my margin to maybe under 30%, then I'll be more comfortable buying more stocks heavier. Yeah, just in case if there's any big correction or crash that happens, you got to be prepared for that. You don't want to get on a margin call and start selling stuff on losses. That's the biggest mistake I've ever made. I'm just letting you guys know. Don't do the same mistakes that I've done, you know? Anyways, just a little update for Neo and the portfolio. And I can't wait for tomorrow to see what happens in the market. Hopefully, Neo puts up their monthly deliveries for January, and hopefully it's a amazing beat. Hopefully it's over 8,000, if not even higher than that.